Hello everyone, this is the watches I took for restoration. After the restoration I got them as this now. This railway is working perfectly now. The shiny bracelets are here. This is too good now. This one with a transparent back. It's also working like a new one. Super fine. This one is super fine. All of them are working perfectly now. This one also a beautiful watch with white dial. Now they are shiny like new one. And the variant was, which one was a quartz was totally unworkable and was rusty and smashed, so I backed with only these three and a ladies orient I have collected. This is super fine diamond cut glass, super fine watch. This is extremely nice watch. I loved it, so I couldn't come back without craving this one. Super fine watch. So now they are as pretty as new one. I just say that I loved the restoration.